Well, it's starting to get warm outside, and you know what that means. It's summertime, my favorite season. And I have a special event to tell you about my Healthy Seasonal Cooking Summer Webinar on June 18th. That's a Saturday. I will be teaching with Chef Michelle Williams about the fire energy according to the 5 transformations of energy. We're going to teach you recipes that feed and nurture your brain and your heart, featuring some ingredients such as quinoa, corn, strawberries, blueberries, cucumbers, all summertime foods. So make sure you go to macroval.com and you sign up. The quicker you sign up, the more of a discount you'll get on the price. So I look forward to seeing you in my upcoming summer webinar. Remember, your journey to eating healthy begins with one small step. Let's make that small step attending my upcoming summer cooking webinar.